As 3D printing technology is penetrating into more aspects of people's daily lives, we found that 3D printers have been changing and updating to meet customers' demands in recent years. We've always tried to focus on creating a 3D printer capable of providing high precision and user-friendly experience. Here, it debuts to the new beast, CR-6 SE.
It is for pros, hobbyists, and everyone else. The simple operation on CR-6 SE will provide users with premium 3D printing experience and enable more new users to easily acquire advanced skills. After finishing the assembly within 5 minutes, printing starts right out of the box. Equipped with a 4.3 inches HD color touchscreen, CR-6 SE can provide the user navigation in multi-languages, improving better interaction with the device. By the efforts of engineers, we made a giant leap in innovation. Featuring innovative levering-free tech, CR-6 SE is designed with a smart sensor to truly achieve hassle-free and intelligently automatic platform leveling, greatly improving bed adhesion and print quality. It saves print time and improves print quality at the same time. To meet the requirements of professionals, we made more improvements, including integrated multi-molding-in-one extruder for reliable filament extrusions, modified heat dissipation structure for better cooling efficiency, and an inventive nozzle structure for better print quality. We constantly try to create more possibilities for different applicable scenarios to give you a better user experience.
We carefully read all of your comments on our previous products and made the best printer yet. I'm confident to say that CR-6 SE is the most innovative printer we've ever created. Printing with CR-6 SE further.